my grandmother was basically a very religious woman with a wig and all the Orthodox manifestations of that. I would walk her to shul every Saturday and proceed to come home and pick her up later. She would not ride she would not ride in anything until the Shabbat was over with. Our house was a kosher house. And I was the Shabbos guy. I turned the lights on Friday night. I washed the floors every Friday when I came home from school. And as a reward, my Bobe would leave me a table with fresh challah and gribenes. Do you know what gribenes are? Gribenes are chicken, the renderings of chicken.
Oh, gribenes, yeah.
Yeah. Cracklings is what they call it.